A happy new year, my friends. I wish all of you will stay in good health, work hard, and have great success in 2019. Today, I want to share with you Japanese New Year. As I mentioned in the last video, after eating New Year's Eve soba noodles, we go to the shrine in our neighbor. In our family case, we don't sit up late because we are so tired of daily activities, so we go to the shrine in the next morning. The first visiting of the new year is called Hatsumode, where we go to the god of our neighbor. We believe the original god is guarding us all the time. We go there to pray for continuous support. Our guardian god has more than 1500 years of history, which is one of the most extended accounts in Japan. There are some vendors in the front yard. Small egg cookies are always kids' favorite. Takoyaki is maybe the most famous street food in the Kansai area. Before we go up to the main building, we have to purify our hand and mouth with the sacred water. Take one scoop, wash both sides, then keep water on your palm and rinse your mouth with the water. Lastly, run the water to the handle and leave the scoop. The shrine is up on the hill. Let's go climb up the stairs. In the middle of the stairs, there is a chest for the Offertory. Put some coin in it and keep on going upstairs. In front of the main building, we pray for good luck throughout the year. Here's how we do. Make 2 bows, clap your hand twice, identify yourself before making a wish, then make a bow once. That's it. Step aside for the next person. In the shrine, you can buy lucky charms comes in pretty little pouch, or a piece of wood to make a wish on the sacred tree. The simple tree was struck by lightning a few years ago, but still alive. Fires to warm your body, and even for brush riding space. It's called first riding. It's the year of boar in the Japanese zodiac sign. Boar represents challenge and change. It's gonna be the good year. When we got home from Hatsumode, we enjoy Osechi Ryori with sake if you like alcohol. I appreciate it with a cup of green tea. Osechi Ryori is designed to keep well, so it's the holiday for Japanese men. We give otoshidama for kids as New Year allowance. It's all about our culture. You have to give it if you like it or not. Alright, that's it for the Japanese New Year. After New Year holiday, we set our goals and start working hard as always. Let's start another great year with me. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please visit my website, social media account, and the store on Amazon for more information. The link is in the description box below. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!